This may be your last chance to create generational wealth through trading. As AI becomes more advanced, institutions are stepping in so that they can maximize their profits against the average retail trader. Here's where we come in. Our advanced trading algorithm has consistently beaten the markets. Over the course of this past year, our trading algorithm has won over 600 out of 800 trades, bringing our consistency rate to over 70%. We have helped hundreds of members in our community become successful traders, so don't miss out on this chance before the opportunity becomes too late.
All right, you guys, this is your chance to level up your trading game in 2026. So our FX Glide bot takes 1 to 5 trades per day. Max stop loss is 1.5%. It is all hands-free, and it is compatible across all of your favorite trading platforms, whether it's MetaTrader, DXTrade, CTrader, Match, and TradeLocker. This week was another profitable week using our EA. It is currently the weekend, and you can see that all of the trades have been closed. In the month of July, all of our members have been able to make consistent payouts across all of these different prop firms. And one of them was from Funding Pips for $16,000. And then today, we also had another payout from FTMO for about $26,000 using our EAs and our services. Let me show you the back end of one of our members who signed up for our automation services back in July 2025. These are the payouts that he's made consistently without blowing any accounts. Just in the month of July, you can see that he got a payout from FTMO for $20,000, another payout from E8 Markets for about $18,000, and I'll give you the breakdown on our FX Glide version number 6. If I analyze the account right now, show you guys, right now you can see that FX Glide version number 6 up 230% on one single year. There are obviously some days that we actually did take a loss. I'll show you guys that the profits are exactly the same. All trades have been closed because it is the weekend. $684,442.03. And it will be exactly the same as my MetaTrader. If I go to my MetaTrader right now, you can see right there, 684,000. Just like right here, 684,000, exactly the same. And these are the arrows. These are the trades that it's actually took. This trading algorithm has had a win rate of 73.53%. 611 trades won out of 831 trades. So here are the longs one right there, 293. And then here are the shorts one right there. Show you guys some of the days that it's actually taken a loss. Like I told you, the max stop loss is set at 1.5%. Here's a trade right there, 72.96, 71.93. Another day right there, I can see 88.3 to 87.5. Because the losses are so few, it's actually very difficult to find, except this week, we actually did end up having a losing week. So here right there, 177.6 to 177.5. Another day right there, 201.2 to 199.8. Never going below the 1.5%. It could slightly be a little bit more because depending on the brokerage and the slippage. There was another day, 225.0 to 224.28. Just for this week, we still had a profitable week, even with some losing trades. So this is actually just for the week. We made about 5 figures right now, $14,272. Same thing right here. If I go to the history, the whole history right now for the past week is $14,272, just like on my phone right now. And then if I go to the past month on a 200K account, it has done about 15%. So here are some of the trades right there, 700. You guys do not need to do anything. All you guys need to do is install the bot, and it will automatically adjust the trailing and the stop losses. You can see right there, minus 300. So our system has been beating the markets. There's no other system like it. I welcome anyone to challenge our system, prove that your system has better risk management and better profits and better win rates than ours. I highly doubt that anyone can actually do that. Here are the 3-month profits, $131,000. Another profitable week. And this is how our members are able to make profits like this. And we have made some significant updates to our community. We're now closing in on over 1,000 active traders. And once we do hit 1,000 active traders, we will be doing a huge giveaway. Here are some of the prop firms that our members are using. And the best thing about our FX Goliath trading bot is that it can be used across any prop firm, whether they have strict trading rules or consistency rules. It is specifically designed for every single prop firm. Make sure you guys go to our YouTube channel. You guys can check out all of the previous videos. You guys can hit this link right here. Reach out to one of our members to also help you get started and become a successful prop firm trader.